Hi everybody, this is Crystal. So today I'm going to show you how to do a quick little edging trick. So I have this swatch here which I made up, and I do have a tutorial on how to make this beautiful stitch here. But we're not going to be focusing on that. I'll put a link below in the description box for the stitch tutorial for this swatch here that I made up. Now I went around this with a row of regular single crochet, just to give me some single crochet to work in. So you've all probably heard of the crab stitch, otherwise known as the reverse single crochet. It's a beautiful edging. What it is you do single crochets, but you work it in the reverse. It's a beautiful stitch, but sometimes it can be a bit awkward to work that stitch. Well, today I'm going to teach you how to do the reverse single crochet, the forward reverse single crochet. That's what we're going to call it, all right? All right, so say you want to put this border on your blanket. So you would just, start your stitch here. And you would draw up a loop in any stitch here, and we would chain one. This is just for the first stitch. Now that doesn't count as a stitch or anything. Now to do the forward reverse single, we're going to go back into the same stitch here, and we're going to draw up a loop just like we'd be doing a single crochet, but we're going to take our hook and just give it a twist, and then we're going to yarn over and go through those two loops that are on our hook. That's it. That's what we're going to do in every stitch. Ready? We're going to go into the next stitch, draw up a loop like we're going to do a single crochet, take your hook, give it a twist, yarn over and go through the two loops on your hook. Again, go into the next one, draw up a loop, give that hook a twist, grab the yarn and pull it through those two loops on your hook. And you do this all the way around your project. And it is almost an exact replica of the crab stitch, or otherwise known as the reverse single crochet. Again, go in like you're going to do a single. Give it a twist and go through those two loops. Now trust me, I love the crab stitch or the reverse single crochet a lot. But it can be a little bit finicky sometimes. This way, it's so much easier. Well, for me anyways. And you would just continue doing this. Well, I pulled them loops too tight. That's my fault. Alright, and you just continue doing this all the way around. And look at that. It looks identical to the crab stitch, otherwise known as the reverse single crochet, but we're working it in the forward direction. See how easy that is? Just go in like you're going to do a single. Got your two loops, give your hook a twist, yarn over and go through those two loops. Yes, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Alright, that's it. And then you would just continue all the way around. So that is just another option that you can use as a pretty border for your blanket, if you like, or blankets or hats or whatever, that you would use the crab stitch, or I always call it the reverse single, on. But instead, we're doing a forward. It's the forward reverse single crochet. Thanks everybody for watching. Bye guys.